few words. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This is a privilege to welcome dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Uh, before welcoming us brief about the program, why we choose failure in business, why not success? Everyone praises the rising sun, but we should not forget that the other side also exists. If you take motivation only by success, uh, it is difficult to really get success because entrepreneurship is not a bed of roses. You have to see the other side also. And then, considering this, we wanted to focus more on failure and take inspiration from failure. What is failure is when we accept I cannot succeed, then only I fail. Otherwise, until I surrender, I am not a fail. So think of Edison. He tried 100 times to make a bulb, electric bulb. 100 times he failed, then only he got success. Just suppose that 99th time he accepted that he failed. He could not have made that bulb and these lights, although it is different technology, but was not possible. So success only comes when you accept failure and you take inspiration from failure. So this workshop is framed around these thoughts only. We all, actually all faculty members, when we had discussion on this, we all had different kind of thought on failure and success. So this was my opinion. Sir has given his own opinion and other opinions will come in the process. Uh, we are fortunate today to have our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, as chief guest of this program. Professor Dibakar Chand Deka, sir. He recently joined our university on 1st of May only. Today is 8th of May, just 1 week passed. And as he was just mentioning that every day he is attending more than one seminars. Last 2 years, we were not having any seminar because of COVID. And now that barrier is gone. We know when barrier is gone, then the flood used to come, and that flood is coming, and sir is facing that flood. So thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation to be chief guest of this program. We all know him very well. You must have seen his biodata and all, but I will just do the rituals to give a brief introduction to him. Before joining us on 1st of May, he was Vice Chancellor of a university in Assam, Madhav Dev University. He joined as VC there, Vice Chancellor there in June 2019 as first Vice Chancellor, founder Vice Chancellor. And he got here appointment during his period of his tenure. And usually what happens when we get a better opportunity, we try to kick back the previous one and we try to jump to the new board. But he didn't do that. He took time. He took 2 weeks or something like that to settle the affairs in his old organization. And after settling all those things only, then he came and joined us. That's very important. Don't disown anything immediately. It is this university, I feel, is brainchild of sir, and he took all care to give more time for the university. Before joining as Vice Chancellor of Madhav Dev University, he was senior most professor in the Department of Chemistry in Guwahati University, one of the oldest university in Northeast. And he is senior most professor there, oldest university, senior most professor of chemistry. Uh, he is he did his bachelor's from in the years 1979, then his master's from Guwahati University in 1983. Then he did his MTech in 1986 and PhD in 1989, both from IIT Kharagpur. Then he did his postdoc diploma from Tokyo Institute of Technology, Japan in the year 1990. At that time, I was in class 10th. Under UNESCO Research Fellow. And then in the year 2012, he did his DSc, Doctor of Science, from Guwahati University, and he is first DSc from Guwahati University in chemistry. He is Commonwealth University Fellow in University of Manchester, UK. He is member of Research Board of Advisors, American Biographical Institute, USA. He has been awarded FRSC by the Royal Society of Chemistry, London in 2016. He has completed many major projects funded by DST, DBT, UGC, and CSIR. He has published more than 70 research papers in reputed journals at international and national level. He has guided 32 PhDs. It's a really very big number for as far as PhD is concerned, because this is a long-term program, 5-6 years it takes, especially in sciences where practicals are there. So guiding 32 PhDs is a big achievement. He is having 3 patents to his credit. His research interests are natural products, biodiesel, synthetic, organic chemistry, etc. So, with this brief introduction of sir, I would like to request our one of our MCOM student, I think Miss Baby. She will be helping our head to felicitate our dean, our vice chancellor, sir. Thank you. Okay, sit, I'll call you again. Then I will take 2-3 more minutes to introduce our guest today, Dr. Miss Atreyi Bora Tikadar. She is from Guwahati, and felicitate Madam. Uh, I'm choosing Dr. Professor Larding Liana for the purpose because he is Director of Incubation Center, and he is having same zeal, same love for entrepreneurship what Madam is there. So, yes. Last evening, Madam was asking about incubation center, something I told, and then I told that today Madina will be explaining all those things in detail if time permits. Then I would like to welcome, although Professor Jyoti Kumar is very much part of organization, this organizer. Uh, no need to welcome the organizer, but still it is a ritual to welcome him on the dais. He is senior most professor in our department and senior professor in our university. He joined our university in the year 2004, and as he joined as reader, then he got promotion as professor, then he got senior professor. Meanwhile, he is right now head, which is his third term as head of the department. He had been dean of the school earlier. Uh, I will not take more than this. Then the convener of this program, Dr. Lalnait Luangi Fanai, she is a young colleague in the department. She is very dynamic. She is very active. She takes part in whatever activities we do in department. She is always instrumental, always ready to take part in that. And today, this last evening, she was telling me that she wants to sit in the audience, not on the dais. But I told no, as organizer, you have to be here. So thanks for all the work and welcome to the program. I would like to welcome all faculty members who are from other departments joining us. Professor Manoj from Library Science, uh, Professor Tiwari from Physics, Professor Elizabeth from Social Works Department. Oh, last bench. Okay, why that far, sir? Then I welcome all of you to join us here. I welcome our own faculty members, Professor Lalding Liana, Dr. Gurram, to join this program. Although they are organizers, they are very much part of this program. I welcome college teachers who joined us today. Zuit Luangi from Pachunga University College, Casey. I welcome all of them. I welcome the students from, I welcome Dr. Rama Ram Swami. Madam, come. Dr. Rama Ram Swami. She is associate professor in the Department of Commerce. I welcome all the participants, all the students who are coming from different colleges. Sir, we have invited students from colleges. We are having three major colleges in the city. Pachonga University College, our own constituent college, then Shangmana College and Aizawl College, offering BCom. So from these three colleges, we have invited students. So please, Pachonga University College, just raise hand. So these are from Pachunga University College, Shangmana College, and Government Aizawl College. Few are there. So these are any other college. We called from a Christian college also. Anyone from there? They were having some other engagement. They told that they may not be able to join us today. So